Yesterday, Niue High School had their sports day, a continuation of the finals after the preliminary heats took place last Friday. As of Friday's competition, Langakali was top of the ladder with double the points of the others with 113. Followed second equal by Puen Moya with 61 points and Kieto last but not least with 52 points. Yesterday's competition started with the march pass with the red team Moya taking first place, second Pua, third Langakali and fourth Kieto. We're only able to bring you some of the results tonight as the others are still being tallied up by the Niue High School Sports Committee. The Open Mile was the first event for the day that was dominated by Pua. For the girls, it was all Pua team affair with Rowena Tanaki in first, Brittany Leomotu Tangilangi second, and Lilibeth Pao in third. Boys Open Mile, Autalavo Tubiliu first from Pua, second Daniel Maria from Kieto, and third Nusila Tavita from Langakali. The finals for the 100-meter sprints, Year 7 finals, went to Vitolia Kulhetar, second Martina Siatanga, and third Janice Litayo. Midget girls, first Isabella Fuinu, second Elena Van, and third Ashley Tihingia. For the junior girls, Lilibeth Pao in first, second place went to Phoebe Singh, and third place Ansi Mongavalu. Year 7 boys, first Nusila Tavita, second Samoa Tavita, and third Ricardo Williams. Midget boys, first Artin Siosikefu, second William Pasisi, and third Jovan Hekesi. Junior boys, first Renuka Tawivihi, second Autalavo Tubiliu, and third Yoteva Pasisi. Intermediate girls, first Lini Nemarsi, Brittany Lamoto in second, third to Tamara Marutama. Senior girls, first Denise Bihinia, second Micah Fuinu, third Makaiva Tanaki, and for the intermediate boys, first went to Aglisi Pulu, second Jack Fileti, and third Jinam Hopotoa. In the senior boys division, Sui Tupuiliu taking out first, second to Seamus Tukutama, third Sipili Junior Salatielu. For the heptathlon for girls 100 meters, that was won by Hingano Lofoli, second Rowena Tanaki, and third Zita Enitama. For the boys decathlon, first equal went to Clifford Marsh and Bonifacio Kapanga, second to Silingi Tongatula, and third to Pope Junior Talangi. The overall results from the Niue High School Sports Day yesterday: first Langakali House with 418 points, second Pua with 334 points, third Moya with 289 points, and fourth Kieto with 249 points. And those are our news stories for tonight. We do hope that you can join us again in our next news bulletin next week. We'd also like to wish all students a very good holiday, a well-deserved holiday as they start their holidays next week. Pena e tau wala tatu pa tutol nuku mo mai glata mai afefnei na kini ke mafala atu didiu ke fleve ke faitap kahau no fam tul mai menuina e oki fatap ni hanga wutkai ai mua te ke tutula do fa nau ne ko amna ki ai ke oki mai hitawanga na nofwa munini po atu didiu atu tol ke fleve.